Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a punch bowl cake. Sean is here with me and he is the king of punch bowl cake, and every time the holiday come around he is always requested to make this delicious dessert recipe. So he's going to show you all the steps on what he's going to do to prepare this delicious dessert, and I hope you guys take notes because this pound cake dessert is delicious.
All right, so we have a pound cake, and this is great because they have pound cake minis. So usually you just get a round pound cake and cut it up and stuff it in the bottom, but these are already like individually packed. So we're just gonna use these. This is actually a good thing for us today. Then we have some fresh strawberries. You taste them, see if they're sweet, because you know sometimes they're not in season. If they are, then good. If not, then you can just throw a little sugar on them, stir it up. Let it activate. Then we have some banana pudding. You can use banana pudding or vanilla pudding, but I'll choose to use banana. Then we have some strawberry pie filling, just to give it a little kick. And this is the granddaddy, some strawberry preserve.
Oh, so that's the key to the recipe right there.
This is it right here.
Okay.
Then we some Cool Whip, and then you keep some strawberries on the side for your top beautiful display.
Something to dress it up.
All right, so first we're gonna start with our pound cake.
So are you gonna break those up or are you leaving them whole?
I think I'm gonna just leave them whole.
Now usually he would buy the whole pound cake and just slice them up into pieces.
I'm gonna break them in half.
Oh, you're gonna break it in half? Okay, but this was a little easier because this was cut already, so less work. You know, we're all about simple recipes and getting things done quickly.
We're just gonna lay out our bottom first with some pound cake.
Okay, so the bottom is fully covered now.
All right, so now our next step is we add our pudding. So all we're doing is just layering the pudding on top. Get your nice spatula over our pound cake.
Does it matter how much pudding you use?
Now is it your eye, how much you got. The top layer probably get the most because you try to finish up whatever pudding you have left. So we can put a little bit more. All right, now we add our strawberries. All our strawberry mixtures. So throw a little bit of strawberries in there. A little filling in there.
Now that's the strawberry filling.
Yeah, that's the pie filling.
That's the filling. That's not the preserves yet. That's this right here.
All right. Then we add our preserve. Spread that out.
That looks flavorful.
Oh yeah, it's gonna happen.
Got that strawberry banana action going on. Spread it out.
To cover everything covered. So the layer. All right. So now we add our Cool Whip. You can use the same spatula because it's all the same ingredients. Just smooth that out.
And guys, this is a very festive holiday dessert. If you want to bring that to your relative's house for Thanksgiving or Christmas, it definitely fits.
So we're doing it again.
Same thing all over again.
Same thing.
And guys, this is simple, and this is something that you can make with your family. You could get the kids in on the action. They will actually love making this. It would be really fun. Something for the whole family to do.
done, that's your first layer. You're starting your second. Just pat it down a little bit into your Cool Whip, and then do the same process. Get your pudding. This is probably going to be a 3-layer, so we can add a generous amount of pudding this time. Alright, starting to look good, y'all. Okay, so now we throw our strawberries on. Like I said, the further you up, depending on how much you got and how big your bowl is, your top there probably has the most fillings, as you're trying to get rid of whatever you have left.
So you see the size bowl that we have. So how much of each ingredient would you recommend for this type of bowl, Sean?
A box of banana pudding, just 1 can.
The instant pudding, that is.
Yes. 1 can of the strawberry pie filling. You probably need 2 containers of strawberries.
So
pound
2
cake,
of these.
the key is the pound cake. You might want to just get 2 just in case, because depending, like I said, depending on your bowl and how it breaks up.
So would that be 2 of the individuals like that?
If you can find the individual boxes of pound cake, 3 is ideal.
3, just to be on the safe side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Filling. Same spatula. Spread it out. All flavor right there. Uh-oh. We got a strawberry stem. How you get in there? Alright. Cool Whip. You only need one thing to Cool Whip. We had such a good deal on all this stuff this week, though.
Everything was pretty much buy one, get one free at Publix, so.
Yeah, so we loaded up. So if I want to make another one, I can. Look at that.
And guys, this dessert is actually very quick and easy to make, as you can see. It's nothing, strenuous about this recipe at all.
Bacon.
Right, no bacon or anything like that. Like, it's a very quick, delicious recipe.
I would suggest that you do get you a napkin and just clean it up, but you're going to use the same spatula. Okay? So now,
is that the last layer?
it's the last layer, and we use 3 boxes. I'm gonna use all my pound cake. I'm gonna smash it down to get it even. Look at that.
So we just added the last layer of pudding. Now he's doing the strawberries. He's going in with that strawberry filling.
So we're going around the sides, but with our preserves, with a little color, a little decoration. So you see the end result because we're going to show you. Now, some people, if you want to, you can mix all of them together and just spread it out that way. I just like to do individuals because I want a different taste every time.
Nah, I think the layers is better than that.
No, I'm just saying, when I'm talking about the strawberries, like you put the strawberries together, all the strawberries.
Nah.
I'm telling you, people want to take a shortcut. They can.
Guys, with this recipe, this is a strawberry punch bowl cake. You can actually use any type of fruit you like with this recipe.
Yeah.
So, but We recommend no frozen, right?
Yeah. If we get frozen stuff, you gotta thaw it out because you know the water.
So yeah, you can use any type of fruit you like. This is a strawberry punch bowl cake. If you don't like strawberries or if you're allergic, you could use any type of fruit you like. Like you could use blueberries, like any type of blackberries you like.
You need a lot, but you have to make a smaller one. Banana. You can do a strawberry banana if you want.
Raspberries, whichever you like.
So we had the perfect amount of everything for this size bowl. It's right at the top. Now, we take the last strawberries that you don't cut. And we put them on top as a decoration. I should spread them out a little bit.
Yeah, because you give me anxiety the way you lining those strawberries up.
Try to keep the biggest strawberries you can for the top. Big boy, see the big boy, big boy. Our strawberry punch bowl cake. And as you can see, I'm gonna lift it up so you can see the.
Oh, that looks good.
That's how it is.
Okay.
So now what we're gonna do is you cover it, and you put it in the freezer for about an hour, and then you just sit it in the refrigerator.
Okay. Look at that. Look at those preserves in there. That's gonna be good.
That's our punch bowl cake.
So do you recommend making this the night before?
Oh yeah, make it a day before.
Because they have to set, right?
Yeah, you want to make it a day before, so you know, especially if you're doing it for your guests. If you want to do it, you can eat it the same day, but it's better if you do it the day before.
Let it chill.
Let it chill.
So let it chill before you dig in.
Yes.
Now, do you have to cover this when you put it in the refrigerator?
Yes, it's recommended. Just put a layer of aluminum foil over the top. Don't press down. Just cover.
Okay, there you have it, guys. The strawberry punch bowl cake. Absolutely delicious. We hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Try it your way, whether you use strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, or raspberries. Any type of fresh fruit you like, guys. I hope you all take care. Be blessed and stay safe, guys.
Hit the like button.
Hit that like button and subscribe, y'all. Bye.